Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to multiply by x squared on numerator and denominator. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x to the power of 3. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So because we don't have number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change for u and u. This one we change for this one. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over u, b over u plus 1 to the power of 2, and c over u plus number 1. Because we have the power number 2, that means we need to have two fractions related to u plus 1. Now we can do common denominator. This one, it is missing about u plus 1 to the power of 2. So capital A multiplied by this one. This one, it is missing about u. So capital B multiplied by u. This one, it is missing about u and u plus 1. So capital C multiplied by u and u plus 1. And now we need to expand. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of u. About u squared, we have a plus c. About u, we have 2a, b, and c. About the numbers, we have 8. So we need to compare coefficients. We don't have u squared and u in here. So this one and this one equals to number 0. 8 equals to 1 over 3. And now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C in here. So 8 equals to 1 over 3. B equals to negative 1 over 3. C equals to negative 1 over 3. So we put A, B, C go in here. So 8 equals to 1 over 3. B equals to negative 1 over 3. C equals to negative 1 over 3. And now we have the final answer. about you, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.